Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to rotating text in Photoshop. We start by entering Photoshop where we have the text created. Next, we are going to click on the text layer. After that, we are going to click on the Move tool and then activate the transformation mode with the Ctrl+T keys. After that, we will see a bounding box around the text, and at the top point we will notice a double arrow. If we hold down this arrow and move the mouse, we will see that our text rotates. If you want to make 15-degree turns, you can hold down the Shift key while rotating the text. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.